Today's topic is a crucial one in your home buying journey. Understanding the advantages and differences of a pre-qualification, pre-approval versus a conditional approval through an underwriter. When stepping into the world of home loan financing, it's essential to understand the distinctions between these stages. All of these are milestones on your path to home ownership, but they serve different purposes. Let's start with a pre-qualification. Here, you may have a general conversation with a loan officer and get a pretty good idea of where you may qualify for, how much it's going to cost you, and what kind of payments you're looking at. Next, let's talk about a pre-approval. This is where you're going to provide detailed information to your loan officer, including a completed loan application, maybe your pay stubs, your W-2s, bank statements, and credit report. Your loan officer is going to review all this information and give you a specific loan amount and loan options that you are pre-approved for. Now, one of the biggest problems I see in this process is most customers often don't get all of their paperwork in, and yet they want an idea of where they're going to be qualified at, which the loan officer will provide. However, that loan officer may not have seen and analyzed all of the documentation. And because loans actually are complicated, because all of the documentation does have to be reviewed, there can be surprises when that documentation finally comes in. Now, being pre-approved, it's a strong indication of your borrowing power, and it shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. But there's a whole nother level, and it's called a conditional loan approval. This gets done by an underwriter, and it's like getting a golden ticket in the mortgage process. Here, an underwriter, and not just a loan officer, is going to review your financials. And all of that's not going to be submitted to the underwriter until you have all the proper documentation in. Now, the underwriter is going to review this and issue a conditional approval based on certain conditions. It's a more thorough validation of your credit worthiness and your financial ability to buy a home. Why is this important? Conditional approvals can give you an edge in competitive markets. It reassures sellers that your financial background has been rigorously evaluated, increasing the likelihood that your loan is actually going to close without any surprises or hiccups. It's almost as if you are saying, I'm not just ready to buy, I'm approved to buy. Navigating from a pre-approval to a conditional approval can make the difference of your offer being a good one to being an unbeatable offer. It's about positioning yourself as the most attractive buyer in the market. Embarking on your home buying journey and need guidance? Together we can tackle the pre-approval process and aim for a conditional loan approval, setting you apart from other buyers in the marketplace. Give me a call at 916-768-6530 or look below for my website. Let's secure your dream home and make sure that you have the financial backing that you deserve.